Hey there, Kingdom Cash fam! Ready to discover the hidden gems of the app world that can turn your smartphone into a daily money-making machine? We're not talking about the same old apps that everyone else is using. Nope. We've dug deep to bring you the top 21 rare and unique apps to make money daily in 2024. Get ready to unleash some serious income potential with these under-the-radar tools that could change your financial game forever. Let's dive in. 1. GigBee Local Gig Hunter. Potential profit: $50 to $150 a day. Forget DoorDash and Uber. GigBee connects you with hyper-local gigs in your community, from dog walking to event setup. The app's unique algorithm finds gigs that match your skills and preferences, letting you earn cash in your free time without the need for a car or long commutes. 2. Revamp Our Furniture Flipping Made Easy. Potential profit: $100 to $500 a day. Love giving old furniture a new life? Revamp R is your go-to app for finding cheap secondhand furniture with massive profit potential. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned flipper, you can easily make big bucks by selling your revamped masterpieces to local buyers. 3. SwayPay. Get paid to shop. Potential profit: $25 to $75 a day. SwayPay turns your everyday shopping into a money-making opportunity. You get paid for sharing your purchase experiences on social media. The better your engagement, the more you earn. Perfect for influencers in the making. Quizly, knowledge for cash. Potential profit: $20 to $100 a day. Who said trivia games are just for fun? Quizly pays you real cash for answering questions across a variety of categories. The more questions you get right, the higher your payout. Flex your brain muscles and earn while you learn. ShopShark Bargain Hunter's Dream. Potential profit: $50 to $300 a day. ShopShark is a unique app that allows you to earn money by hunting for and flipping online deals. If you've got a knack for finding discounts, this app helps you resell those items at a profit, either online or locally. Green Cash, eco-friendly earnings. Potential profit: $30 to $150 a day. Turn your passion for the planet into profit with Green Cash. Earn money by participating in eco-friendly activities like recycling, energy saving, and sustainable shopping. It's a win-win. You make money and help save the earth. TaskLoot. Microtask madness. Potential profit: $25 to $200 per day. TaskLoot connects you to microtasks that companies need done, from data entry to short surveys. These quick jobs are perfect for filling small gaps in your day, and the earnings add up fast when you're consistent. FlarePics Sell Your Snaps. Potential profit: $20 to $150 per day. Got an eye for photography? FlarePics is an app where you can sell your smartphone photos to businesses, bloggers, and content creators. Whether you're snapping cityscapes or your cat, your photos could be a goldmine. Rover Pet Sitting. Potential profit: $50 to $100 per day. Love animals? Rover lets you offer pet sitting or dog walking services in your area. Not only do you get paid to hang out with furry friends, but it's also a great way to stay active and meet new people. Field Agent. Be a secret shopper. Potential profit: $25 to $100 per day. Field Agent pays you to perform secret shopping tasks in your area. Whether it's checking product placements or testing customer service, you earn money while gathering valuable data for companies. Uproar. Soundbites for cash. Potential profit: $50 to $200 per day. Uproar is a new app that pays you to create short audio clips for use in podcasts, advertisements, and social media. If you've got a good voice or can play an instrument, this app lets you cash in on your talents. GigWalk On-Demand Gigs. Potential profit: $50 to $300 per day. GigWalk offers you short-term gigs like mystery shopping, product testing, or even participating in local events. The gigs are varied and can fit into any schedule, making it a versatile way to earn cash daily. VoiceBunny. Your voice, their brand. Potential profit: $100 to $500 per day. If you've got a voice that can sell, VoiceBunny is your ticket to serious cash. This app connects you with businesses looking for voiceovers for commercials, explainer videos, and more. It's a high-paying gig for those with the right vocal chops. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Turo, Rent Your Ride. Potential profit: $50 to $250 per day. Got a car that's just sitting there? Turo lets you rent out your vehicle to others when you're not using it. It's a passive income stream that could easily cover your car payments and more. TaskRabbit Get Things Done. Potential profit: $75 to $200 per day. TaskRabbit is the ultimate side hustle app. You can offer your services for anything from assembling furniture to running errands. The more specialized your skills, the higher your earnings. Neighbor Rent Your Space. Potential profit: $50 to $300 per day. If you've got extra storage space, Neighbor lets you rent it out to people who need to store their stuff. It's like Airbnb for storage, and it's an easy way to make money without much effort. Just answer. Get paid for your expertise. Potential profit, $50 to $200 per day. Are you an expert in something? Just Answer pays you to answer questions in your field of knowledge. Whether you're a lawyer, doctor, or tech whiz, you can earn by helping others solve their problems. Sweatcoin. Walk your way to wealth. Potential profit, $10 to $50 a day. Sweatcoin rewards you for staying active. The more steps you take, the more you earn in their digital currency, which can be exchanged for real money or goods. It's a simple way to make money while staying healthy. Pawns. App. Share your internet. Potential profit, $5 to $15 per day. Pawns app pays you to share your unused internet bandwidth. It's passive income at its finest. Just install the app, let it run in the background, and watch the earnings roll in. User testing. Review websites for cash. Potential profit, $10 to $60 per test. User testing pays you to review websites and provide feedback on user experience. Each test takes about 20 minutes, making it a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash. Slice the pie, review music and fashion. Potential profit, $5 to $50 per day. Slice the Pie pays you to review new music tracks, fashion items, and even commercials. If you've got strong opinions and a little bit of time, you can easily turn your feedback into daily earnings. And there you have it. These 21 apps might not be household names yet, but they're packed with potential to supercharge your income in 2024. Whether you're looking for a quick buck or a serious side hustle, these apps offer unique opportunities to earn money daily. Ready to start making some cash? Your smartphone just became your most powerful tool. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.